Connecting Webull Pay to Tradingview is a straightforward process that enables you to access real-time market data and execute trades seamlessly. To begin, you need to have a Webull account and a Tradingview account. If you don't have either of these accounts, you will need to sign up for them before proceeding. First, log into your Tradingview account and navigate to the paper trading or live trading section. Depending on your preference, click on the Brokers option and search for Webull in the search bar. Select Webull from the list of available brokers and click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to the Webull website, where you will need to log in to your Webull account. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize Tradingview to access your Webull account. Click on the Authorize button to grant Tradingview permission to connect to your account. After authorizing Tradingview, you will be redirected back to the Tradingview website. Your Webull account will now be connected to Tradingview, and you will be able to access real-time market data and execute trades using your Webull account. To execute a trade, simply navigate to the chart of the asset you want to trade and click on the Buy or Sell button. Select Webull as the broker and enter the number of shares you want to buy or sell. Confirm the trade and it will be executed through your Webull account. It is essential to note that you need to have sufficient funds in your Webull account to execute trades. Additionally, you should always use proper risk management techniques when trading, such as setting stop-loss orders and position sizing. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Webull Pay account to Tradingview and start trading with ease. This integration provides a seamless trading experience, allowing you to focus on making profitable trades rather than navigating multiple platforms.